We're back. Welcome to our Engineering Outsourcing channel. If you're involved in construction, engineering, or architecture projects, we highly recommend considering a switch from 2D Autocad to 3D Revit Model services. This simple change can work wonders in improving project efficiency, cutting costs, and boosting productivity, giving your business an edge over its competitors. Watch the full video to learn about the benefits of switching to 3D Revit Model services for your projects. 1. Benefits of making the switch from 2D AutoCAD to 3D Revit modeling. When you merely require precise line work, like in elevation details or drawings, 2D AutoCAD is perfect. On the other hand, Revit is excellent for modeling and can be used to create cost plans, promote teamwork, and control change. Revit modeling can help you stand out from the competitors and make project management on the job site easier. 2. Outsourcing 2D AutoCAD to 3D Revit Model services, a cost-effective solution. Any firm involved in construction, engineering, or architecture can quickly benefit from the switch from 2D AutoCAD to 3D Revit Model, instead of going through challenges including increasing hiring training costs, working hours, overhead costs, software license costs. You can simply employ the assistance of knowledgeable and skilled designers who are experts in CAD and Revit. Small firms that lack the resources to hire new staff, buy software, rent office space, or just reduce the load on their staff would greatly benefit from this. Productivity will rise while costs are kept at a minimum. With the aid of Revit, you can produce 3D models of the highest quality and technical accuracy while also maximizing project efficiency. We can assist you with accurate Revit BIM model creation, 2D AutoCAD to Revit modeling conversion, and 3D Revit model creation. 3. The advantages of 3D Revit models over 2D AutoCAD models. There are 3 key advantages to using 3D Revit models over 2D AutoCAD models. 1. Time saving. Time is the lifeblood of any business, and outsourcing your BIM services will give you the most time possible to devote to the growth of your enterprise. Since the company's solutions are top-notch, quick, and turnkey, you may achieve a much better result with less expense and work. 2. Productivity. 3D Revit modeling is most effective in the AEC sector. They enable the quick and efficient creation of architectural projects. In addition, they enable 3D artists to collaborate on projects by enabling data to be saved in a single location and made available to numerous users simultaneously. The completed and updated tasks can all be used as input for the ultimate architectural design. It makes it possible to meet deadlines and speed up the design process. 3. Cost saving. In addition to saving money, you also reduce resources and labor. When you outsource, you can receive top-notch services at set, reasonable prices. Therefore, there is no need to be concerned about future maintenance or operational expenditures. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions about outsourcing 2D AutoCAD to 3D Revit model services for your prospective projects. You can reach us by our email at contact@civiloutsourcing.com or our website, civiloutsourcing.com. Your organization will always benefit greatly from outsourcing your tasks to a capable service. Thanks for your watching.